Today we're reviewing stock number 173988 on a 2015 Chevy Equinox, and our exterior color is blue. Interior options include power windows, locks and mirrors, premium audio system, power seats with lumbar support, memory seats, leather upholstery, sunroof, light controls, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, hands-free communication and audio controls, cruise control, forward collision detection and lane departure warning, OnStar with electrochromatic mirror, garage door opener, sunroof controls, rear hatch controls, CD AM/FM radio with auxiliary, climate control with AC, and heated seats. And our interior color is black. Moving under interior features, we have roof rack, chrome alloy rims, rear parking assist, backup camera, remote trunk release, remote start, power hatch, and more cargo space. Rear options include power windows, 60/40 split bench seats with center armrest and cup holders, and you can fold the seats down for more storage space. Once again, we're viewing stock number 173988 on a 2015 Chevy Equinox, and our exterior color is blue.